Welcome to dear student. Today we are learn topic on power series solution. What is the power series? An infinite series of the below form is called the power series in x minus x0. Summation k is equal to 0 to infinity a k x minus x0 raised to k. What is the analytic function? A function is said to be analytic at a point x0 if it can be expressed in the power series near x0, ordinary point and singular point. If the equation of the form p0x d square y upon dx square plus p1x dy by dx plus p2xy is equal to 0 be the given differential equation with variable coefficient. Here p0x, p1x, p2x the function of x. This equation divided by p0x, then equation is the form d square y upon dx square plus p1 by p0 dy by dx plus p2 by p0 y is equal to 0, where take the p1 by p0 is equal to capital Px and p2 by p0 is equal to capital Qx. There the form differential equation d square y upon dx square plus capital Px dy by dx plus capital Qx y is equal to 0. In the above equation, a point x0 is called the ordinary point of differential equation if the function px and qx both are analytic at x0. If at least one of the function px or qx is not analytic at x0, then x0 is called the singular point. A definition of regular singular point: a regular singular point and irregular singular point. A singular point x0 is called the regular singular point if both x minus x0 px and x minus x0 whole square qx are analytic at x0. Otherwise is called a irregular singular point. Some example number. First example, find the singular point of y double dash plus x in the bracket x square plus 1 y dash bracket x cube plus 2x square plus 3xy is equal to 0. Classify the singularity of this equation. Solution. Here the differential equation y double dash plus x square plus 1 y dash plus x square plus 2x square plus 3x y is equal to 0. This equation compare with y double dash plus px y dash plus qx y is equal to 0. That means px is equal to x square plus 1 and qx is equal to x square plus 2x square plus 3x. Here px and qx both are analytic at everywhere in R. That means px and qx both are polynomials and the polynomials are analytic everywhere. Therefore, given differential equation has no singular point. Next example, find the singularity of the differential equation x square in the bracket x minus 1 y double dash plus 3 x minus 1 y dash plus 7xy is equal to 0. Given differential equation is the form y double dash plus 3 by x cube y dash plus 7 by x square x minus 1 y is equal to 0. This equation compare with y double dash plus px y dash plus qx y is equal to 0. That means px is equal to 3 upon x cube and qx equal to 7 upon x square in the bracket x minus 1. Px here, px is not analytic at x0 is equal to 0. In the denominator of px, value of x is put value of x is equal to 0. The value of px is infinite for x is equal to 0. So px is not analytic at x equal to 0. Similar case qx in the denominator x square into x minus 1. The value of x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Then put the value of x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. That qx is infinite. That means qx is not analytic at x0 is equal to 0 and 1. Therefore, singular point of differential equation is 0 and 1. An ordinary point of differential equation is real point or real point minus 1 and 0. Find the singularities of singular point. So for singular point x0 is equal to 0. The first condition x minus x0 px is equal to x minus x0 is equal to 0. Px, value of px 3 by x cube is equal to 3 by x square. 3 by x square is not analytic at x0 is equal to 0. Similar second condition x minus x0 whole square qx is equal to 7 by x minus 1. Put the value x0 equal to 0. So then x0 is equal to 0. So 7 by minus 1 is not equal to infinite form. That means x minus x0 whole square qx are analytic at x0. But first condition x minus x0 is into px is not analytic at x0. That means x0 is equal to 0 is irregular singular point. Similar case for singular point of for x0 is equal to 1. First condition x minus x0 px is equal to 3 in the bracket x minus 1 divided x cube. Put the value of in the denominator x0 is equal to 1. So value is not infinite. Second condition x minus x0 whole square qx is equal to 7 x minus 1 upon x square. Put the value x0 is equal to 1 in the denominator is not infinite. That means x minus x0 px and x minus x0 whole square qx both are analytic at x0 is equal to 1. That means x0 is equal to 1 is regular singular point. Another example, a power series solution. A series solution of below differential equation at an ordinary point is called power series solution. P0x d square y upon dx square plus P1x dy by dx plus P2x y is equal to 0. Process for finding the series solution of power series. A power series solution of differential equation P0x d square y upon dx square plus P1x dy by dx plus P2x y is equal to 0. And first condition x0 is equal to 0 is ordinary point. Step number 1. Assume the below y is the solution of given differential equation. Y is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x minus x0 raised to k. Step number 2. Differentiation y with respect to x. Then we get y dash is equal to a1 plus 2 a2x plus 3 a3 x square plus 4 a4 x raised to 4 plus etc. Similar y double dash d square y upon dx is equal to 2a2 plus 6 a3x plus 12 a4 x raised to square etc. Step number 3. Substitute the expansion of y dash and y double dash in the given differential equation. Step number 4. Equal to 0 the coefficient of various power of x and find a0, a2, a3, a4 etc. in the term of a0 and a1. Step number 5. Substitute the expansion of a2, a3, a4 in y. First example, y dash plus 2xy is equal to 0. Solve this example by power series method. Find the power series solution of differential equation y dash plus 2xy is equal to 0 at ordinary point. Here differential equation is y dash plus 2xy is equal to 0. In the next topic, here x0 is equal to 0 is ordinary point. Therefore, y is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x minus x0 is to k. But here x0 is equal to 0 is ordinary point. That means y is equal to k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x raised to k. Differentiation of y. So y dash is equal to k is equal to 1 to infinity k ak x raised to k minus 1. Similar, y double dash is equal to sigma k is equal to 2 to infinity k minus 1 ak x raised to k minus 2. Now y dash plus 2xy is equal to 0. Step number 1, solve this differential equation by power series method. Step number 1, substitute the value of y dash, y double dash in the given equation. तो substitute the value of y dash. तो y dash, value of y dash is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to infinity k ak x raised to k minus 1 plus 2x, value of the, substitute the value of y. तो sigma k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x raised to k is equal to 0. Next step, multiply the coefficient of y dash, y double dash inside the value of y dash, y double dash. The coefficient y dash is 1, but coefficient of y is equal to 2x. So multiply the 2x with value of y. So k is equal to 1 to infinity k ak x raised to k minus 1 plus 2x, multiply inside. So sigma k is equal to 0 to ak x raised to k into x raised to 1 x raised to k plus 1 is equal to 0. Next step, here x raised to power k minus 1 and here x raised to power k plus 1. So third step, make the same power of x. Here power of k plus 1, here k minus 1. So in this equation, in this step, x raised to k plus 1 power make. K is equal to k plus 2. So value of k is equal to k plus 2. In this step, so k plus 2 is equal to 1. That means k is equal to minus 1 to infinity. K replace k plus 2 plus a k plus 2 x raised to k plus 2 minus 1 to x raised to k plus 1 plus sigma k is equal to 0 to infinity 2 ak x raised to k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now limit of sigma k is equal to minus 1 and here k is equal to 0. So put k is equal to minus 1 in this step, k is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2, 2 minus 1, 1, a 1 x raised to 0 plus, put the value of k is equal to 0, but here k is equal to 0 to infinity. That means k is equal to 0 to infinity, k plus 2, a k plus 2 x raised to k plus 1 and k is equal to 0 to infinity 2 a k x raised to k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now same power of x, all terms are divided. First term, here first term x raised to 0 power in the three terms is 1. So a1 x0 is equal to 0. That means x0 is equal to 1, so a1 is equal to 0. Next, sigma k is equal to 0 to infinity k plus 2 a k plus 2 x raised to k plus 2 plus sigma k is equal to 1 to infinity 0 to infinity 2 a k x raised to k plus 1 is equal to 0. In these two steps, sigma k is equal to 0 to infinity common x raised to k plus 1 common. That means k is equal to 0. That x raised to 1 power k is, put the k is equal to 1, the x square. The x square coefficient, x square is not value of x square value is not 0. That means k plus 2 a k plus 2 plus 2 a k is equal to 0. So a k plus 2 is equal to minus 2 a k by k plus 2. For value k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Take the value of k barabar 0, k is equal to 0. So a2 is equal to minus 2 a0 by 2 minus a0. Take k is equal to 1. Put the k is equal to 1. So a3 is equal to minus 2 a1, 1 plus 2 is 3. But value of a1 is equal to 0. Put in this step. So a3 is equal to 0. Similar, k is equal to 2. So k is equal to 4 is equal to minus 2 a2 by 4. But a2, value of a2 is equal to minus a0 in this step. So a2 by 2. The solution of differential equation y a0 raised to x0 plus a1 x1 plus a2 x square plus a3 x cube a for x is to 4 plus s test. Put the value of a0, a1, a2, a3. So a0 value of a1 is equal to 0, a2 is equal to minus a0. So minus a0 x square, a3 is equal to 0, a4 is equal to a0 by 2 x raised to 4. S test is equal to a0 common 1 minus x square plus x raised to 4. S test. Next example, power series solution of differential equation 1 minus x square y double dash plus 2x y dash plus 2y is equal to 0 near x0. Solution, solve this differential equation. Here x0 is equal to 0, ordinary point. Now put the value of y dash y double dash in the given equation. 1 minus x square y double dash minus 2x y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. Multiplied the y double dash in the term. So 1 into y double dash minus x square into y double dash minus 2x y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. Put the value of y dash y double dash. Value of y double dash minus x square. Value of y double dash sigma k is equal to 2 to infinity k minus 1 ak x is to k minus 2 minus 2x. Value of y dash k is equal to 1 to infinity k ak x is to k minus 1 2. Value of y is equal to k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x raised to 0. X raised to k is equal to 0. First, second step, multiply the coefficient of y dash, y double dash. Here first term has no coefficient. Second term has x square. Multiply inside this term. So that means k is equal to 2 to infinity k minus k x raised to k minus 2 minus x square multiply inside. So k is equal to 2 to infinity k minus 1 ak x raised to k minus 2 into x square. So x raised to k minus 2x multiply inside the term. So sigma k is equal to 1 to infinity 2 k ak x raised to k minus 1 into x raised to 1. So x raised to k plus sigma k equal to k is equal to 0 to infinity 2 ak x raised to k is equal to 0. Here x raised to power k minus 2 x raised to k. So in this term make x raised to power k. So put the value of k is equal to k plus 2 in first term. So k is equal to k plus 2. So k plus 2 is equal to 2 to infinity k is equal to 0 to infinity k plus 2 minus 1 k plus 1 a k plus 2 x raised to k. First term. Second term, third and fourth as it is. Here fourth term and power of x raised to k same. Here limit of sigma k is equal to 0 to infinity k is equal to 1 and 0. Here smaller k is equal to 0. So value of put k is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0. So 2, 1, a2 x raised to 0. K is equal to 1, 3, 2, a3 x raised to 1. And k is equal to 2 to infinity stop k plus 2, k plus 1, ak plus 2 x raised to k. Here series start from k is equal to 2 to infinity k minus 1 ak x to k. Third step, series k is equal to 1 to infinity. Start from k is equal to 1. K is equal to put value of k is equal to 1 to 2 into 1 a1 x raised to 1 minus k is equal to series stop k is equal to 2 to infinity 2k ak x raised to k. This series start from 0. K is equal to 0. Put k is equal to 0. K is equal to 1 and then series stop from k is equal to 2 to infinity. So put k is equal to 0. So 2 a0 x raised to 0 plus k is equal to 1 2 a1 x raised to 1 and series stop from k is equal to 2 to infinity 2 ak x raised to k is equal to 0. Now same power of x, all terms are divided. Here x raised to 0 power term, 2 terms x raised to 0, 2 a2 x0 0 plus 2a0 x raised to 0 is equal to 0. Second power of x raised to 1. So 3 2a3 x raised to 1 power minus second term 2a1 x raised to 1 power plus x raised to 1 2a1 x raised to 1 power is equal to 0. And third x raised to k power. So fourth term of x raised to k power. 2a2 x0 plus 2a0 x raised to 0 is equal to 0. 2a2 plus 2a0 is equal to 0. a2 is equal to minus a0. Similar recurrence relation 6a3 x raised to 0. 2 minus 2a1 x1 plus 2a1 x1 is equal to 0. Cancel. So 6a3 x1 is equal to 0. So a3 equal to 0. And third recurrence relation k is equal to 2 to infinity common. First step k plus 2 k plus 1 ak plus 2 x raised to k common minus k minus 1 ak x raised to k common minus 2k ak plus 2 ak x raised to k is common is equal to 0. X raised to k is not 0. That means k plus 2 k plus 1 ak plus 2 minus k minus 1 ak minus 2k ak plus 2 ak is equal to 0. Here given recurrence relation ak plus 2 equal to k minus 1 divided k plus 1 ak is equal to, for k is equal to 2 3 4 5, take k is equal to 2. So k is equal to 2. So k is a4 is equal to 1 by 3 a2. Value of a2 is equal to minus a0. Put in this step minus a0 by 3. Take k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3. a5 is equal to 2 by 4 a3. Value of a3 is equal to, above step is equal to 0. Take ak is equal to 4. So a6 is equal to minus a0 by 5. Solution of differential equation y a0 x raised to 0 plus a1 x raised to 1 plus a2 x square a cube x cube a4 x raised to 5. Put the value of a0 a1 a2 coefficient, all coefficient a0 a1 a2 a3 a4 5. So a1x, solution of differential equation a1x plus a0 in the bracket 1 minus x square minus x raised to 4 by 3 plus x raised to 6 by 5 etc.